Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Grandpa. Thank you.
Yeah, it's down to just me and Sarah up there, a little tradition.
I know.
Used to be 4 of us, now it's down to 2.
Yeah, so see, I got
This
out
was the
there.
one you picked, right? Okay.
There was me, Stacey, Penny, and Michael.
A delicious dinner.
Yes.
Yeah.
The one you can eat.
Oh, I got
Yeah.
out loud.
So just grab whatever seats you.
But taking
Thank
a
you,
bite
Laura.
of this.
Let's go. You guys are going that way, we're going this way.
I was gonna say those shoes are super cool.
David was a shepherd before he was a king, and when he was appointed king,
Yeah, oh yeah, what they do is they
In her music class.
Oh.
So she has to practice. Fixins for spaghetti. Guys day.
Something else.
boy, we get one dry day.
Can't leave until we open.
She's leaving.
Where'd Dad go?
Yeah, we'll have the people that can kneel in the front, I guess.
And I I'll hug you again.
The hug for Cinder right there.
Right.
Yeah.
It was quite a while ago, many years ago.
Video.
Yeah, that's Brian been doing it a while.
That's who we're talking.
CHR.
Remember that.
Like, here we go.
Baby sport. Is the same. So.
You know, 100 years ago, 35 years didn't make much difference. But
Right.
now,
Yeah.
5 years, you know,
Makes a
that
huge difference. Yeah, it does. So true.
Perfect. That's a wrap.